Seagulls Studio Production presents
Voice levels with Mr. C's class.
Voices off, level 0. Whisper voice, level 1. Partner side-by-side voice, level 2. Classroom voice, level 3. Loud. Level 0, getting a drink or going to the bathroom.
Level 0 during quizzes or tests.
Effective communicators think before they speak, are good listeners, and use appropriate tone.
Well, Elise, I guess. Well, did you think about the fact that maybe sometimes people have something to say, and you're just gonna say it? No.
Mr. Shabo, Elise is doing a presentation, so I think you should keep a level 0 voice.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And that, boys and girls, is how to be an effective communicator.
Ask your teacher for what level 0 voices look like in your grade.
Level 1 voices for mini lessons, workshop, partner, or group work.
Level 1, sometimes in the hall.
Level 1 voices in the library.
Ask your teacher for what level 1 voices look like in your grade.
Hey, Jocelyn! Jocelyn! Check out my picture! It's way better than yours.
Mr. Shabo, you have to quiet down and use a level 2 voice. We're in partner groups right now.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. You see my picture?
Yep.
You like it? Pretty good?
I like the full. So what do you think? Ask your teacher what level 2 voices look like in your grade.
All right, class. What's 5 times 5? Bounty.
Level 3 when the teacher calls on you.
You're right. It does. Oh, Mr. Shabo, you're doing a great presentation, but during presentations we use a level 3 voice, so the whole class can hear us, a classroom voice. Can you do that for us, please?
Yes, I can, Mr. Carter. Thank you for clarifying. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
So, today we're going to talk about respectful star behavior.
Ask your teacher what level 3 voices look like in your grade.
Level 4 voices in phys ed class or gym.
Level 4 voice outside.
Level 4 voices at sporting events. your teacher for level 4 appropriate voice levels.
Voices off, level 0. Whisper voice, level 1. Partner side-by-side voice, level 2. Classroom voice, level 3. Loud cheering voice, level 4.